A certain township consists of a 5-hectare industrial park and a 24-hectare neighborhood. The total number of trees in the township is 4,529. The equation 5x positive 24y equals to 4,529 represents this situation. Which of the following is the best interpretation of x in this context? Let's consider the numbers 5, 24, 4,529 in this equation. This 5 is connected to the information we have about industrial park, and this 24 is connected to the information we have about the neighborhood, and this number 4,529 is connected to the total number of trees in the township. Since we have the total number of trees in the township on the right side of this equation, on the left side, this 5x must represent the number of trees in the industrial park, and this 24y must represent the number of trees in the neighborhood. We know that this 5 is a number of hectares in the industrial park. Then what must this x represent? This x must represent the number of trees per hectare in the industrial park. So that when I multiply the number of hectares of 5, the number of trees per hectare in the industrial park will be getting the number of trees in the industrial park, that is 5x. So this x must represent the average number of trees per hectare in the industrial park. We have this stuff in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.